Good morning, I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today I want to talk about a 2016 Jayco Greyhawk 31-foot front kitchen. This coach is gorgeous. It's got all the options of a Greyhawk and just absolutely beautiful coach. It's a 2016, but it looks like a 2020. Here we are inside a 2016 Jayco Greyhawk. The Greyhawk is significant in the Jayco line because it has the upgraded suspension and has some upgraded features inside. We used to carry Jayco new, and whenever we got the Greyhawk, it always came loaded, just like this one. It's going to have the automatic hydraulic leveling. It's got the onboard generator. It's got the upgraded Norcold refrigerator. It's got the front entertainment package with a slide-out drawer for another bed. It's a twin-size bed for a child or maybe a skinny adult. It has got the gas heat. It's got the electric heat. It's got a big TV up front. It's got a little TV in back. It's got the beautiful cherry woodworking, booth dinette, sofa, a real nice curved cabinetry instead of the real sharp corners and stuff. Love the woodworking. It's a cherry tone. Gosh, it's gorgeous rigging here. Solid surface countertops. It's got the 6-way power seat in the front. It has so many options. It's just hard to remember all of them. The backup camera. I believe this one also has the heated electric mirrors with the camera built into them. It's great. Queen bed in back. Right now it's an oversized twin bed from the previous owner, but the pedestal does take a queen bed back there. Hi, I'm Roger.Woodruff with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City. If you have any questions about this coach or any others, give me a holler. Thanks.